What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. And guys, check out my picks here. Every day I make a video on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoins. And check out also my group, Naked Crypto. I post charts in here. Let's go to the... So like here, Crypto Index. This one, November 15. I posted this one, November 15. That crypto index will go for a ABC correction. Shiba news that the AMC Cheddar is now accepting, soon to accept Shiba Inu. Handshake, kopen handle, and there's a bullish pennant. YouTube video. Usually my picks I explain here on YouTube. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Matic, Polygon Matic, AVAX. I put a sell signal here. Ethereum will go for one more wave to the downside. Now it's dropping. Crypto CRO. I posted this one last November 24th. That CRO will drop. Handshake, there's a pop now. Solana, possible head and shoulders pattern, but this one didn't play it out, so we're still looking for the SC wave. Shiba Inu, bullish flag. Polygon Matic, now we get the pump. Polygon Matic, now we see the break on the bullish flag or on the descending channel. Theta, I'm looking forward for this. This is one is a bullish flag or triangle here. And Solana is still dropping, going for the C wave. Same as Ethereum, going for the C wave. Solana had a break here. Shiba, we see the pump, the break on the descending channel or bullish flag. Dogecoin, I put here. It's time for plenty. It's on a bullish pennant. And there you go, CRO, exactly what I predicted. Matic, still going up. Handshake, target has been reached. And some news, because last Saturday the Bitcoin dropped 9K in an hour, but El Salvador buys the dip. CRO, and this one, Mark Zuckerberg's sister on Doge, Shiba, Elon, and SHIB GF. So crypto index, we predicted the drop, the ABC correction, and now are we looking for the 5 waves to the upside? So Gala, possible buy zones from the 0.618 to 0.886. That's our Fibonacci. And Ethereum, we predicted a drop, ABC correction. So yeah, we predicted a drop, and are we now looking for 5 waves to the upside? Now guys, let's go to the chart. Let's see the... So do you think we're going for a correction, a massive market crash because of Omicron, and because last Saturday we do have a Bitcoin crash and the other market and the rest of the financial market. So let's see guys, I've seen S&P looks like, I would say no. Let's check Dow Jones. No, we're still good. Nasdaq, no, we're good. I don't think we're going to have a bear market. And crypto index, exactly what I predicted. We're going for a ABC correction. And now, are we looking now for 5 waves to the upside? Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we are still looking for one more wave to the upside. So just to be aware, guys, this is ascending channel. This is a bearish pattern, but if this one is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, we are still looking somewhere here. Let's say 200k. But our bearish scenario, guys, if the wave 5 is here, it's also valid. So that is called truncated fifth wave. So what happens now? Just in case the fifth wave is here, now we're looking for 5 waves to the downside. That would be our bearish scenario. But our bullish scenario, we see the 5 waves to the upside. And after that, we see a 5 waves to the downside. So just be careful, guys. But Bitcoin on the daily chart, we're supposed to be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And we're looking for 5th wave. Unfortunately, the price dropped last Saturday. So it invalidates my count. The wave 4 overlapped the wave 1. This is technically incorrect. So I might change my count. So probably the 3 now is here. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. So this is now will be our wave 3. We're still on the wave 2. Wave 2. I mean, we're still on the wave 3, but supposed to be wave 3 is right there. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. Wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let's see. But Ethereum, though, we projected an ABC correction perfectly. And this was the best buying opportunity here. And possibly we're now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Similar to CIX, we projected ABC correction perfectly. Exactly what we predicted. And now we looking for 5 waves to the upside. Similar to Solana, ABC correction, buy here, and now we're looking for 5 waves to the upside. AVAX, I put a sell signal here. Then this could be your ABC. If not, we might see wave 1, wave ABC correction here. So let's see. Let's draw again the ABC here. So this could be your ABC correction, or we might see even more deeper ABC correction. So let's see, guys. Dogecoin, we projected 18 cents, but it dropped at 13 cents, somewhere 13 cents. Shiba, we're still on the bullish. We're still bullish. We're still on this bullish flag or descending channel. So we're still bullish. Similar to Doge Elon, we're still bullish. Cup and handle. We're just creating the cup here. So after that, we go to the upside. Luna, we might see a go for a correction. So that could be our. This could be our ABC. I mean, this could be our Luna. We might go for a correction. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Luna, we might go for a correction. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are in the 5th wave. But just to be aware, guys, this is also a descending channel, which is a bearish pattern. So we might go for a correction. But don't worry about it. After this correction, we go for the 5 minutes to the upside. IOTX, we're still on the bullish pattern. Sad, we might still see the price go up here, somewhere at 13 cents. Then we go for a correction. So right now, $5 right now. $5 target, $13. So that's more than 2x. Loop ring, let's wait for a correction. Let's see if we're going for a drop, but on the bigger time frame, this is the bearish pattern. This is a ascending expanding wedge, which is or a megaphone pattern. So this is a bearish pattern, but we might still see the price go down here and go up here. So $6. So somewhere at dollar or something, dollar, $2. So that is 6x, guys. 6x. Hot. We have a massive drop last Saturday, but look at that. As you were, guys, just like nothing happened. We were still on this bullish flag here or descending channel, just like nothing happened, guys. It's just a wick. It's just a wick to scare people. So those who sold, they lose money. Or for the traders, they have stop loss here, somewhere here, and they've been stopped out. And there you go, guys. If you're just a holder, no stop loss, then you're good. Harmony 1, same thing. Drop here. Now, as you were, we're still in the bullish pattern. Okay, guys, if you find this video valuable, smash that like. If there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. And if you want me to make a course, comment down below, guys. Thank you. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.